What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a oven liner, and this one is for the bottom. The oven liner that we just reviewed was for the top part of your oven, the stove part. So right here, we are going to go ahead and unbox this. Now it says tip. It says wash them with soap and water before using them for the very first time. All right, so right now I'm just going to show y'all and then I'll wash it. All right, and what else it says so y'all can know, it says safe for temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so that will convert to 260 degrees Celsius. It says please remove mats from oven before running the oven cycle, the oven cleaning cycle. So do not use this in the oven cleaning cycle, you guys. They do have two colors of these liners. One is an orange color, in which I'm not going to get that. And then they have one that is black. All right, open that, and here we go. We got two liners right here. And these are thicker than the liners that was for the stove. It's a little bit thicker. So in the Amazon picture, they actually have somebody putting a pizza right onto the rack and, and have it drip off. In reality, you use a pizza pan to cook a pizza. So with that being said, you know, if you that's how you cook, that's how you cook. I'm not judging nobody. So we used to have this grease catcher. I mean, well, not used to. We still have this grease catcher down here. It's really do nothing. Pretty much it stayed clean. We cleaned it the other day just to clean it, but the whole time we have it in the oven, nothing really dripped down on it. Let's say if you use just one tray, you could probably put your liner right here. You could probably put your liner on the bottom tray. As far as I know, the heat basically comes from the bottom, and I'm not going to cover that part. So that's just me, okay? However you want to do it is however you want to do it. There's no instruction guide on here. It's basically, you know, it basically shows you, it just has a picture of somebody's taking the piece of cheese from the bottom, from the liner, and that's it. And they have another picture over here with the liner, and the liner is actually on the rack. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the liner on the rack as far as cooking goes. So if I have a pizza pan, I'll put the pizza pan right here onto this liner. That's what I'm going to do. But I am not going to leave the liner on the bottom like this, because the heat comes from the bottom anyways, and I don't want to block that. So that's about it, you guys. Even if I do a demonstration, so if I cook on this thing for y'all, I don't have nothing that really drips down, but I just want to have something that's more secure. The only thing that this will probably be effective on if I cook pizza, because my pizza pan has like little holes on the bottom and stuff like that. But that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But right now we have a new stove, and we just trying to stay as clean as possible with the new stove. We don't want to get it dirty. It's going to get dirty, but we don't want it to get too dirty. All right. So like, comment, share, notification bell, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.